Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that holds immense power and significance in our lives, the art of duaa, or supplication. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by life's challenges, unsure of where to turn? In those moments, the simple act of reaching out in prayer can be transformative. Duaa is more than just words. It's a heartfelt conversation with the divine, a way to express our deepest hopes, fears, and desires. When we make duaa, we're not just asking for help, we're acknowledging our vulnerability and our reliance on a higher power. This act of sincerity can shift our perspective and open doors we never thought possible. It's a reminder that we are never truly alone, even in our darkest moments. Research shows that engaging in prayer and supplication can have profound effects on our mental and emotional well-being. It can bring about a sense of peace, reduce anxiety, and foster resilience. When we pour our hearts out in duaa, we often find clarity and strength to navigate our circumstances. Moreover, duaa encourages us to cultivate gratitude. As we reflect on our blessings and express our needs, we develop a deeper appreciation for the good in our lives. This positive mindset can lead to a ripple effect, enhancing our relationships and overall outlook on life. So, how can we incorporate duaa into our daily routine? Start by setting aside a few moments each day for quiet reflection. Speak from your heart, whether it's in your native language or in a traditional form. Be specific in your requests, and don't hesitate to express gratitude for what you already have. Remember, the sincerity of your intention is what truly matters. It's not about the length or eloquence of your words, it's about the connection you create. As we wrap up, I encourage you to embrace the power of duaa in your life. Allow it to guide you, uplift you, and transform your circumstances. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this message meaningful, please consider following or subscribing for more uplifting content. Take care, and may your prayers be answered.